Hello, hi, good evening, everyone. Yes, for the quick confirmation, is my voice audible to everyone? Yes, no, just for a quick confirmation, everyone, is it audible? All right, so are you done with things that we are left with the installations? Okay, let me know in the comments. So, all of the doubts that you have shared, mostly I have fixed all of your question. Okay, so installation, are you done with the installation, the basic installation that need to be done? Yes. Okay. Like environment setup, basic environment setup, yes? No? All right. So what I'll do is I will just open my VS Code and let's give you a glimpse first, like what we have done already. And let me share with you all the resources mm, that we need for today's session. Okay. For today's session, we need few of the resources that you need to download. Okay. How many of you are using the Android devices? Yes? No? In the chat. How many of you are using Android devices? Yes, the screen, I am sharing the screen right now. Just give me a minute. Yes, Android mobile devices. I don't know why the screen share. All right. So, no issues. We will move further with this. Mm, I don't know why the screen share is not working. Just give me a minute. Let me fix this. Test app. All right. So yeah, some of you have mentioned that you are getting the error that is like npm error code ENOENT something. How many of you have faced that issues while installation? Yes. Yeah, I will help you with the emulator also. Today, what I'll do is open your Android devices. Okay, in the Android store, what you guys can do is just download go to search and download the expo app. So what we'll be doing is what I'll be doing is, if you use that app currently in this development process, what I'll do, you can quickly see the live updates, the what exactly update you're doing right now on the screen. You can see the live output directly on the mobile phone. Is it interesting? Yes. How many of you have already got it? Yes, I did in the chat if you have got it. So let me open the project and let me give you a glimpse of what where we are left currently. Which part you are unable to understand? You have the link of the Excel sheet. You can just report there the questions. I'll be solving your doubts. So this is what we have completed as we have shown after the installation. Okay, this is what you might have seen. Okay, so this is what we have seen after doing this npm install. The screen is shared, it will be shared with you guys. I have already, just have some time. The VS Code screen will be shared. Yes. All right, now it's live. Yes. All right, so this is what it will look like. Okay. Here you, after the installation of like after doing your first installation of the expo with the project name, that is the npx create expo app. Okay, the command which you have typed in. Okay, I'm just writing the tab, I'm not pressing enter. So this is the command which you have typed. Then after this, after doing this, what happened is, many of you have found the error. Okay, many of you have found the error and many of you have reported like there is a error in your app. So basically this error is the next installation. What we are doing is, you are installing in the root directory. You are installing the project in the root directory, and once you have done the installation, what you need to do, then we have to install what I have told. We have to do the installation of expo router and all the stuff. And the command which I have said to you guys is the what is that? Yeah, expo install, expo router, the React Native safe screen. I'm just showing right there. This is the command which I have asked you. So what I have done is, you have, let's say you have installed the project in the class directory, okay, and then most of it what you have done is, you have used the command in the root directory, not in the project directory. So that's why you are getting this error right there. Okay, so what you can do is, after installation, go to cd, press the project directory name. Like here we have the food discovery, okay, because we are doing a food discovery app. Okay, so then cd, then the project directory, move to the project directory, then apply this command. And once you are done with the command, you can see all the changes, right? All the dependencies you can see, expo router, router native, everything, the expo splash screen, everything is right now installed. Okay, is it clear, everyone, till this particular part? Is it clear? Yes, no in the chat. All right. So no issues. Those who are joining our phone, that is well and good. Okay. So we can. So we can't we see the output on our desktop screen? Yes, you can see the output in your desktop screen. For that, what you need to do is go to. I'm sharing the Android Studio. Wala. Okay, I'm sharing the site link right here. The team will also share with you guys. I am also sharing in the chat. Okay, so this is the website where you can download the Android Studio. Okay, after downloading the Android Studio, there are the few things you need to install. Okay, let me open my Android Studio just a minute. So right now, what is key? I cannot run the emulator right now on my PC because the system. I will show you tomorrow because I need to free up certain spaces. My memory is full right now. But after installation, what are the things you need to install to run the emulator? I'm just showing you right now. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, I will switch it to Android Studio screen. Okay. All right. Why the screen? Yeah. Are you able to see right now this Android Studio screen? Yes. After you download the Android Studio, so this is what you will be seeing right now. Okay. This is a home screen of the particular Android Studio app. Okay. For this, go to more action. Go to SDK manager. Okay. Go to SDK manager and install this API. At least one API you need. You can install the Android 35 API. Okay, and in the SDK, these are the few things you need to install. Emulator I haven't installed right now because of the space kind of stuff, but I will show you in the screen for sure. This is the SDK. Emulator I have to uninstall it because of the. So this is what you need to install. Okay, emulator hyperdriver and SDK platform. These are the few important things what you need to install to see it live on your screen. Okay, do install it. It will take some time. It is around something around 2.4 GB or something around. Okay, and then you need to do this. Okay, go to virtual device manager. Okay, which device you want to run for as a. So right now it's not installed. Okay, so that's why I'm getting this error right here. But you can just go to plus, you can set up your device, like which device you want to see. You want to see, get a tablet view, you want to run the emulator, where, like which phone. You can select the phone brand and all the stuff. Which phone, like is it Pixel or is it something. You can just select that device, click on next. You want to see, you can also set key orientations and all, like landscape or portrait, and click on finish. So that's it, and your emulator is ready to get started. Okay, clear everyone? Yes, no? All right. So right now, is it clear? Are you able to understand the point which you are unable to understand? What I need to do, you guys need to repeatedly ask me out. Okay, unless it will be very difficult for me to understand, like you guys are actually learning it or not. Okay, so let's go. Today we'll go quickly today. Okay, I don't know if the screen is not getting shared. Some issues with screen share. Okay, Right. Yeah, the screen will be shared with you guys. Just be there. Yeah, you can download anything which you like. Basically, downloading the updated one is fine. Or if you want to test with a lower end devices, let's say you are building a app and you want to test maybe with uh, a lower version of Android. For that also you can download there and test if your working this app is working perfectly or not. Okay, the screen is shared with you guys. Okay. All right. So let's move. Let's move to so here. Can anyone answer? Yesterday class, I have done one thing is I have used a command that is uh, npm run reset project. Okay, can anyone tell me what was that? Why I have used for? Like many people have question, I have also cleared your doubt, but can you answer like why I have used that? That is basically okay for those who are those who haven't understood. That is basically for cleaning up the boilerplate. Okay, so the previous code that is there in the app folder that is now moved to the app example right here. So these are the things which we do not need right now, but which are there as a previous boilerplate. But this is what we need. This is the and under the tabs which I have said, we have this two things. Okay, the layout and index.txs. That is the index file. What will be this is what your app will see, like what will be visible to the user of the app. Okay, so this is the index file. So let me do one more thing. Npm run start. Okay, starting use port instead. Yes. Okay, so I am running two apps simultaneously. So this is what you are getting. So how many you once you are done with the installation of the Expo app? Okay, so I'm just showing you this how it will look like. Okay, once you are done with the is a phone visible to you guys? Let me what I can do is okay. Let me scan this first and let me show you. Scan the code. Okay, what you can do is just once the installation is done, okay, you can scan this particular code from the mobile app and it will start bundling of the things and it will show you the home screen on your mobile devices. But one thing you need to keep in mind, okay, for better things, both of the devices should be on same network. If you're running a same wi-fi, running on the same wi-fi and all, both it's better to have both of the devices on the same network to have a seamless experience. Okay, that is what is preferred. Okay, that is what is preferred. So it will do once you do the scanning thing, it will start bundling of the things and it will show the preview in the mobile application like this. Okay, done till this particular part? Yes, no in the chat. Is it clear? If it is clear, yes. Without installation, you Adi, you can see the output on your phone the way which I have said, like install the Expo app. Okay, install the Expo app. 14 API, 14 you can, 35 you can install. All right. So it will do the bundle of and show you the screen. So once this is done, what we will do today in this today's class, what will we do? The project setup is done. You have different tabs. Okay. In the mobile, what we have is we have different kind of tabs: home tab, explore tab, login tab, sign up tab. All of the tabs we have in the phone app. Okay, so what I'll be doing exactly right here is I'll be showing you different uh, like how to build different tabs of the mobile. Okay, we will do that, and along with that what we can do is one more thing we can do. We'll work with the tabs. Okay, and along with the working with the tabs, I will show you the how to add custom color to the app, how to add font to the app, and we'll learn about a new way of authentication to the app. Okay, so let me show you once the screen is there. So this is what the app, this is the basic app looks like. you can see here it is showing welcome to the food discovery app right here. Okay, so I'm running it right here in the Expo app. Just download it, you can also see. Okay, so it is showing me a header. Okay, it is showing me the header, that is here you can see the index right here. Okay, index page, and it is showing the welcome to the food discovery app. Okay, so now we can see what exactly we are building right now in the application. Is it exciting for all? Yes, no? Now can you, so it is like a proof, like what we are working, is it right or not, is it working correctly or not? So let's quickly build the tabs. Okay, we'll not waste much of our time, and well, let's learn to build different kind of tabs. So now let's implement tab by using this expo router thing. Okay, for this, let's go to the layout.tsx. Okay, and here you have this folder, this what is this tabs, like people may ask, like we have created this folder tabs, and it is there in the code browser. This folder is basically, okay, why we have built this separately inside the app and what is your uses. So basically this folder is this folder houses all the components that is related to navigation, tab navigation. Okay, moving to different tab, to that, for that navigation thing, this is built. Okay, that is the tab navigation functionality within this application. Okay, basically this is a common pattern that is used to organize different component that is associated with the navigation thing. Okay, it is a pattern in which you need to have all the component. So here what I have done is, so here I want a home tab. Okay, it is already built. Okay, so what you can do is go to tabs, click on new. Okay, similarly create this explore tab. So once you create a explore.jsx file, it will be something like blank. Okay, then what you can do is type rnf and hit enter, and it will just load the default boilerplate to the app. Okay, similarly create home.jsx. Remember, it is not tsx, it is jsx. Okay, similarly create home.jsx, and it will create a blank page. Write rnf and it will generate this code for you. Similarly create one for the profile. So these are the three tabs. At the bottom will be have a home page, we'll have a explore page, we'll have a profile page. We'll build right that in our application. So for that we need this three thing. Okay, and there is one more question, okay, for you. Why in this three file, before this previous file, why underscope is not used, why in the layout underscope is used? Can anyone answer? Yes, can anyone just give it a try, like where and where this underscope? Screen not, please. Yeah, the screen is visible, I can see. Visible as in like you want to increase the font size, or Narsimha? Yes, let me know. Please say one abstract. What you want me to explain? Aster, yes. One, yes. This place. Sorry, I couldn't. I couldn't understand your question. Sorry. Can you repeat? All right. So what I'm telling right now is, so why underscope is used before the layout.jsx file? Can anyone answer this question? Yes. All right. So underscope is basically used. This underscope, what you are seeing right here in this layout.jsx, basically, this is basically used as the component that are primarily used for the styling purpose. Those components that are primarily used for the styling purpose or layout purposes, their underscope is used, but it do not contain any business logic that is there to be implemented in the application. This is somewhere used in the styling purpose. There are also different other uses. If you want that, it is also used in different kind of configuration or utility based file. Okay, and sometimes it is used also for the private component, which is used within a specific module and do not need to be exposed to different other module. Okay, some private component, if you want to build certain kind of private component which do not need to be shared with other thing, there you can use this. Okay, so this is what you guys need to do. All right, so now this is done. Okay, this layout part. Okay, and once this is done, if you write rnf, the underscore layout rnf, this will generate. What I will do is I'll just replace this. Okay, replace this to tab layout. Okay, and also tab layout. What I can do is, again, this thing, let's remove this view. We do not need view right here. Expect we will add tabs. Okay, we will import not tab text base, we need tabs. Sorry, why it's not showing. Okay, tabs. Okay, let me add it right here. And one more thing, import from expo router, and there I will be using tabs. Okay, sorry, this is caps. All right, now we are done. We are using tabs. Okay, and this tabs, inside this tabs we'll be using tabs, sorry, tabs dot screen. Okay, this will for the tab screen thing, tab dot screen, and we will give it, it is always associated with a name. One is for the home. Okay, one screen is for the home, and this is for the tab we are building. The in the layout page we are building different tabs. So one we are building for the home page. We need one for the what you can say is explore page, and we need one for the three tabs at the bottom. We need three tabs. Okay, and one is for the profile. So that's why we are building this three. All right, clear. So tab is done, and then we will go to the layout.tsx. Okay, and here we have stacks. Okay, so then we will be replacing this to from the index. I will replace it to, we do not need index page, we need all the tabs right here. So I'll just delete it and I will put tabs. Okay, and here also I need to import the tabs. That is one more thing I need to do. And just give me a minute. Yes, that, sorry, here I need to mention inside it tabs. All right, so this will be responsible for showing different kind of tabs. And here, okay, the return is, all right. So then what one more thing is we need to do is the tab layout part is done. This stack part. Okay. So what is a stack and what is the difference between what is the stack and what does it do? So stack, you can consider it as like a container, which basically here the container which basically manages all the sequences of the screen. You that basically it manages the user from navigating to one point, between one point to the other. So here we are not indexing them to the home screen, we are indexing them, we are sending them to the tabs where they will navigate between the home page, explore page, profile page, and everything right here within it. All right, so this is, how many of you have any, do you have any kind of doubt till now? Yes, if you have, just let me know like which part you are facing difficulty to understand. Is there any part you are facing difficulty to understand here? Yes. Any part you guys are facing difficulty to understand? Clear till this particular part? All right. So let's move right now. Let me share the other screen. VS Code. All right. So these are all the tabs that we need, and everything is well and good. All right. So in this tax part, okay, we need to do few certain kind of changes. Okay, we need to do certain kind of changes right here, and this is the tab, and this tag dot screen represent the style screen. Okay, and this is like where we want to navigate exactly. Okay. And this is done. Perfect. All right, so then let's move to the next part of the application. Yes, all the tabs are gone, and then we need to remove certain content inside it. Okay, so what we need to do is, under this return what we have, I will remove all of this right now. Okay, in the index page. Okay, and here I will redirect. Okay, you see redirect is okay, sorry, the screen is not okay. Yeah, are you able to see now the screen? Yes, the three files which this explore, home, and profile, all of this inside the tabs I have created manually. Okay, you need to create it manually. Click on new file, create manually using the this, and load the boilerplate using this RNF shortcut. Okay, then here someone comes to tab, we will redirect them to the home home tab. Okay, so this part is complete right now. Okay, so we will redirecting them to the home right now. And if you do not need the tab, so what happens is every tab has a header. Let me, what I need to do is, let me open the app on mobile device. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Let me open the app on the mobile device so that I can show you the. Where is the layout.jsx file? Yes, it's there. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me show you. Just give me a minute. Mm. Okay, those who have done till this part, just let me know. And sorry, the tabs part is something. Just give me a moment. I'm getting a issue. Yeah, I haven't shared the screen. Just give me a moment. Yes. check the screen. All the tabs are there. Yes. How many of you are done till this particular part? Yes. Is it working? So I don't know why this my mobile is not here. So after this is done, at the bottom, okay, and after this is done, what you will do is at the bottom you will see three tabs. Okay, so you will see three tabs, and three how the three tabs will look like is this. My emulator is, I don't know, it is crashing right now, but it is all right. Once you're done, so let me tell you how it will look like. I'm not. Just give me a minute. So like bottom, at the bottom of the app we have three tabs, right? We have three tabs. So home you'll see at the bottom, okay, and then you'll see a explore tab and you will see a profile tab. Okay, I'm just trying to share the screen. Yeah, I'm unable to share the phone right now and not able to cast the phone right now, but if you can see, just let me try out. Okay, you'll see, I'll show you. Okay, so this now till this part what I have done is we have successfully, and I don't know why the screen share is getting an issue. It is automatically getting disconnected. Okay, let me close few stuff. Let's see why this issue is happening right now. Okay, so how many of you have done till this particular part? Just let me know. Yes, no. Yes, done. Yes, now it is there. Okay, now you can see the application. Okay, so here we have successfully built the tabs. Sir, why do you, what did you type? Npm run start. So what error did you get when you, okay, you might have got this error because you are not there in the project directory. Okay, Vaj- Wajahat Riaz, I guess I spell your name right. Okay, you are getting that error. Maybe you are not there in the file directory. So be there in the file directory and type there. Okay. So this is now what we have done. We have successfully built the bottom tab. Okay, I will quickly show you all the things. Then I will give you a demo right at the end. Okay. All right, so these tabs are done. So every tab, like every page has a header associated with it. Okay, every tab or every page has a header associated with it. Like in the home screen we have the home and all the stuff. I am not able to share the screen. Okay, so there what you guys can do is uh yes, in those particular file you can remove the tab headers. Okay, you can remove the tab headers if you want. Key like on all the screens the header should not be there. Okay, on all the screens the header should not be there. So there you can just add header. Like in the home tab you will see home will be written in a bigger format. In the index tab it will see, you will see index has been written in a bigger font. So to avoid all of this, so what you can do is screen, okay, screen options, and inside this what you can do is header zone and set its value to false. So by doing this all the header in all of the pages will be vanished. Okay, and if you want to remove the header from a single a particular from all the screen, then this is the command. And to for the individual screen if you want, you can just write it here. After the name you can just write options header zone is false. from all the screen. If you do not, from all the stacks of screen, if you do not want, here only directly you can write stack screen options header options zone, header zone is equal to false. So that header home that is there of each, here we have for the home page, we will find a home header written right here. For the profile page, we'll find a profile header written right here. So that header will be removed from the individual page. So that is what we exactly do. Okay. So then what we can do is, for individual tab, if you want to remove here, here also you can just use that header zone screen options. Okay. And screen options and header zone equal to false. Okay. So this is what you can do. So what I'll do is, every tab, okay, at the every tab has, I will tell you how to change the tab label name. So every tab at the home, you'll see the icon of the home, and home is written below it. At the profile, at the bottom, you'll see profile will be written at the bottom. Profile icon will be there and profile will be written. So what now I will be telling you right now is how to implement those things, like how to change the icons of the tabs, individual tabs, that is button, how to apply the customized icon, and how to change the individual name of individual tab. Okay, can we start that individual tab changing name? Okay, so to do that, what you guys can do is, here at the you need to go to a particular site. Okay, I'm sharing the site link right here. I cannot share the browser because I'm getting some issues. So go to the particular website which I am sharing right now here in the chat. Okay, go to this particular website. Okay, everyone, I have shared in the chat, and team will also share with you. I have shared with the team will also share and will share in the chat. So go to that particular website. That particular website is responsible for the all the icons. Okay, so here what you can do is how to implement that. Go to the particular website. Let me show you if it is working or not. I'm unable to share the browser. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so this is the particular website, this icon. Here you can see different icons right here. Okay, select on icons. I want to add an icon for home page. So search your home. Okay, search your home and click on this icon for the home page and copy this particular code. Okay, and paste it on the tab page. Okay, copy this particular code and paste it here on the tab page. Okay, and then what you can do is, this ion icons, copy this, render the component right here. Okay, so then let's understand how to implement it. Okay, tab screen is there. Okay, tab screen home is there. Then what you guys can do is, here in this particular after the home, or yes, let's consider home for now, and then options. Okay, under this options, what you need to do is bar tab bar label. Okay, this is responsible for the what will be visible on this as a label, tab label. So for the home page, I will use home. Okay, for the home page, I will use home. Then next thing what I need to do is tab bar icon. So this is the command which you need to add, and here I need to paste that icon that I have copied. So size will be 24, icon name will be home icon, and the color will be black. So for this, if you want to add dynamic color as per your theme, I'll just add color for right now, color. Okay, and we will implement this color right now dynamically. So this will be by default blue color, the active color of the app. So same, what I'll do is I'll just copy paste in all of this particular thing. Paste. Okay. And then I will also paste right here. Okay. So this part is done for now. And then I will change the respective tab name for the profile. This will be a profile, and this will be explore, the tab names. Okay. And this icon, I for this is for the home, right? We will search for these explore. I will search a search, search, search icon. Okay. I'll just copy this is the name. Okay, I just write the name. We can just write the name, search. So this will add a search icon at the bottom tab. Okay. And then here, profile. For the profile, what we can do is, let's search for an icon, people. Okay, let's use this one, people circle. Okay, it is people circle. Let me copy this and paste it here. All right, so now we are done with the icons. Okay, so this is the code for the icons. Now we have, what we have done is we have successfully changed the tab icons. Okay, then I hope everyone is done till this particular part. Yes, how many of you are done? Yes, no in the chat. How many of you are done with the icons? Yes. Okay, index.tsx page you want me to show. Okay, just give me a minute. Again, it is. Just give me a minute. Share. Just give me a minute. Yes, let me share. I don't know why it is not happening. Okay, let me share the screen. Yes, now you can see the index.tsx page. This is the index.tsx page. Okay, clear? So this here we are returning the this, and this is layout page. Okay, now let's understand the color part. Okay, so here, mm, to apply different colors, the colors are different constants, right? So here on the constants you will find different type of colors. So but there is a page. Okay, there is a page, you want to generate different type of color. So this is the website. You can go to colors.com and generate different kind of like color scheme. If you press on space, if I want to lock three colors and press on space, it will automatically generate random colors right here. So here I want to choose this color as my primary color. Okay, and these are my text color, or this, let's consider this as our primary color and implement in our project. So here what we'll do is, at the bottom here, I'll just write that is something as all in caps, primary, and here I'll just put the hex code. So this will be my primary color, and even this color, light color, I will change it to primary color. So this two I am changing. Here I am doing a customization. Okay, and even the tint color light, this is the default color in the light mode, and this is for the dark mode. I am also changing this particular color right here. So here the color will be changed to the orange. The text tabs, text, everything will be changed to the orange. And then this is for the, and now to render the same color, this is for the implementation, and to render the all this color correctly on the screen. So what we can do is we can go to the layout.jsx, and here we need to import the color first. Sorry, import uh, colo colors. Okay, okay, not from the React Native. We want to import colors from dot forward slash dot forward slash. We'll go to constants. Sorry, constants forward slash, and then sorry, dot forward slash again. This is dot forward slash. We are here. Then we'll go to another dot forward slash. Yes. Then we are right here in the constants. Okay. In the constant, I will be choosing the colors. colors dot ts. So this is the file name. Okay. We are importing the color. Okay. So make sure this is all right. It is all correct. Okay. You have done the import correctly. And after this is done, yes, it is there dot forward slash, then double dot. Okay. Constants is spelling correct. Okay, then colors dot yes. Now it's the time of implementing this colors. Okay, so here what we will be doing is in the tabs. Okay, screen options. Okay, we will add one more thing in the tabs. Okay, just give me a minute. One more thing we need to do right here is, okay, let me show if my, let me check if my app is, my phone is all right. I am unable to able to cast my screen or not. Just give me a minute. I'm checking that right here. Okay. No, I guess no, it's not working. All right, fine. Okay, no issues. Then what we'll do is we'll work on the screen options. Okay, we'll work on the screen options, and here I will apply the colors. Let's apply the colors right here. Let me share the screen. Okay, I have shared the screen. So here in the tabs, I will add screen options. Okay, in the screen options, what we will be doing right here is, okay, in the screen options, we'll add tab bar active. So this is active tint color. I am changing. Okay, active tint color. I'm changing it to colors. Okay, dot. This is the primary. You can see right now. This is the primary we are importing from the colors. That is this. Okay, that is this primary. Okay, this color will be imported, and this color will be applied to all the icons. Okay, sorry. Okay, this will be applied to the tab, bottom tab icons right here. Okay, are you able to understand? Is it getting cleared? Yes. Sorry, is it clear till now? Yes, no. All right. So what I will be doing is I will now, this is the most important part. Yes, no. I want you guys to be super active in the chat. Yes, no. What is the current situation? Like, how many of you are building right now along with me? Yes. And if anyone is stuck, can anyone tell me where exactly you are stuck? Yes. Anyone who is there in the chat? Sir, what is the name of the project directory to run npm start? So the name of the project directory, the first app, like the what is the first initial command you have typed? npm npx create expo app at latest, and there you might have given a name. It have asked you create the name, write the name of the project or directory. That is the app name. Okay, so that is the current app name. You need to move that to the app. Okay, you need to move to that current directory of the app which you have built. So your app name is first app, so you need to be in the first app. Okay, you need to be in the that directory. Okay, so you need to, okay, so layout dot, you want to see layout dot tsx or jsx? Layout dot tsx. Okay, I am showing you, just give me a minute. Where is my, just give me a minute, I'm sharing this screen. Okay, layout dot, just give me a minute. Okay, yeah, I'm sharing the screen. Share screen. Yeah, it's already there. Okay, this is the layout dot tsx. Okay, so then let's understand how to apply different fonts. Okay, you might have used fonts. Okay, Google Fonts. So go to Google Font website. Okay, so I'll be telling you how to apply the fonts. Okay, so let's search for the font which you need for the app. One of my favorite is this Lato. I can select this particular font. Then here, since I have added this font, it is showing me remove from font family. Here you can download. It will show you like get font. Click on get font, download all. Okay. If you click on download all, it will download a zip file for you. Okay. Once the download is done, what you can do is extract it, extract everything. Okay. Extract everything and put it inside the assets. Under the asset, there is a folder named as fonts. Okay. Just remove this file and copy all the fonts. So this will look something like this. Okay, that will look something like this. Okay, let me show you assets and fonts. So here just copy everything and paste it right here. Okay, fonts. So once you are done with this, let me copy everything from here. Control C and paste it right here. Sorry. Let me delete it. So here I have a folder named fonts. Okay, which all the fonts that is already imported, which is required for us right now in this particular project. Okay, so once everything is imported, what you guys need to do is, okay, one of the main thing you guys need to do is you need to uh, implement it. Okay, so how to implement it? So how to do the basic installation? It is there in the project folder. Now how to implement it? So to implement it, go to layout.tsx. Okay, this. Okay, and here you need to go here under this before the return, then type use font. Okay, it will import use fonts from expo fonts. Okay, here what you guys need to do is write the font name you want, custom font name what you want to call as. I want to use it as Lato. Okay, then require. Okay, then you need to be very specific in the file path. Okay, I want to go to the fonts, sorry, assets. So assets, under this asset fonts, then you need to be very specific about the font. I want to use the regular one and I want to call it this. I'll just copy the file name from here and paste it directly here. Okay, so now this is my first font which I'll be using. So every font has a bold, italic. So this is now the same thing for the letter bold. You can just write letter bold. Same thing if you want to apply for the letter italics, italic. Okay, the same thing you need to do. For now, let me copy this, paste it right here, and you need to make sure the file name is correct. If you do not write the exact file name right here, your font won't be getting activated. Okay, so this is all about the uh, fonts. Okay, this is how you implement the font in your project, and all your files will be there used with and will be visible within the same font. Okay, so this is done, and then what you guys can do is next is, now we know, now I will tell you about the most important thing, that is the authentication process. So for the authentication process, so this is the app which you are building, and here what we have built till now is, we have in our particular app we have built one more important thing, that is it tabs, three tabs. Okay, we have built three tabs right here. All of these are in black color, right? This is for your understanding, and this part, this section we have completed. Okay, in this three sections we have completed. One is for our uh, home, explore, and this is for our profile tab. This three is done. So next thing what we need to do is, we will be working on the very important part, that is the authentication. So for this authentication, I'll be using a website, okay, which is clerk authentication and user management. Okay, so this is the app which I'll be using. Okay, sign in to this particular app. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, sign in to this particular app. Okay, and there, after signing, it is a very easy process. Okay, create, there will be option to show you. Let me see if it is available with me. Just give me a moment, if I can share that screen. I'll show you the dashboard, how it looks like. Okay, so this is the dashboard, how it looks like. Okay, okay, so this will be the personal account. Okay, here we have the food discovery something. Here you need to write, once you are there in the home page, you need to create an applications. Okay, I have already built an application, food discovery one. Okay, you can click on create application, write the application name. Okay, and which authentication you want to apply, Google, email, phone number, just turn it on. Okay, and click on create application. Okay, so since I have already built one, let me show you what exactly you need to do. Once you have click on build app, click on this expo right here, click on the expo right here. Okay, then after that you need to install this on the current project directory. Once the installation is done, on the root directory create a .env file. I will show you, I have already created. Okay, and paste this right there. Okay, paste this right there, and then what are the things need to be done, I'll be telling you. Okay, so once that, are you able to understand? Yes, no, till this part, authentication. So once that is done, okay, the env part, what you need to do, I am sharing with you. Okay, the env part, how you need to create, and where you need to create, I'm sharing right now. Okay, just give me a moment. Here you can see under this root, create a env file and copy that content that is there as a publishable key. Okay, and paste it here in the .env file. This need to be done in the root directory of the project. Okay, this need to be done on the root directory of the project. And that once that is done, okay, once that is done, go to layout.jsx. Okay, go to layout.jsx file and change its name to layout.tsx file, and change it to layout.jsx. Okay, change the extension name of layout.tsx to jsx, and wrap the stack. So this is the stack container what we have. Okay, wrap this inside the sign in component, and then wrap the whole thing inside the clerk provider. Okay, and this clerk provider need to have a publishable key, and this is the process.env, and this is what we have inside the env file, that is the clerk publishable key. Okay, you need to just copy this and paste it right here. You need to make sure it will work correctly, go to your env file. Okay, copy this part. Okay, and paste it in the layout.jsx. Okay, so that it will work correctly, everything will work correctly. Don't forget to rename it. You'll see the error, rename from tsx to jsx. And this is the stack file which we have stacked it inside the sign in, and we have wrapped it inside the clerk provider. So this is the only changes you need to complete till tomorrow session. Okay, once this is done, we will continue from the authentication. So tomorrow what exactly we'll be doing is, in the tomorrow session we'll be covering the authentication. Okay, we'll work on the back end of the application. We'll work on the home screen slider, the slider which we had at the home screen. We'll work on the category display and the business listing. Okay, yeah, so this is the more interesting part. We'll work more on the back end part. So front end, this is the basic thing which we have covered. So we'll go deep in the back end part in the next class. Okay, clear? So that's it for today. See you in the next class. So see you in the next class. Join as soon as possible, and hit the like if you are finding this session interesting. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you for everyone, and see you tomorrow. Good night.